Good morning! How the devil is everyone? Monday morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Alan. Thanks for watching. I am currently at Newark truck stop. I worked yesterday, we did a supermarket rip out. That was down in Hereford. I didn't record it yesterday. One, it was dark, and two, I kind of forgot really. I was with one of my colleagues and just talking away. So I'm starting the video on Monday morning, and I say I'm at Newark. We're going to make our way over to Hardwicks, and we're just going to do some checking of the vehicle this morning. Been up, had a shower. That's one of the reasons I come here, because I like a shower in the morning. Oh, hello. I appear to have some Epping Forest in me Moffat. That's the trouble with trees. They get everywhere. Oh, handy for the train if you need one. Oh dear. Had a very good weekend. Some of you have asked on the previous videos. Oh, I've got a fellow Moffatteer. Yeah, had a good weekend. Plan for today is tip this at Hardwicks. We are then going to the ITAB, people that do the supermarket stuff, loading up, and we're off to Pulborough, which I believe is between Crawley and Brighton, or Worthing, somewhere around there. I had a quick thing on the map. Just like to say thank you for everyone that's liked and subscribed and commented on the videos so far. Yeah, it's going well. So thank you very much. Some lovely comments coming in. Anyway, I'm going to do my paperwork. I'm going to kick the tyres again, do a proper walk round check rather than you lot just following me around. So I'll catch you all in a little while. Right, we're at Hardwicks, and this is what happens to all the old tills and all the old merchandising. They go in there, and then they go in the crusher at the back. They strip all the plastic and everything off them. Anyway, I need to get my curtains open and get this tipped. So that's just a little update. So I'll catch you in a little while. Right, update. We've just got loaded at ITAB in Tankersley, and we're going down to Pulborough. We've got 252 miles to do. It's about 5 hours and 15 minutes. Unfortunately, I've got to play with the M25 in rush hour, so I dare say it will take us longer than that. I will have to have a break on the way, because I've just stopped to have a sandwich and reset my clock. So I'm going to start making my way down there. And I will speak to you when I get to Pulborough. It's Sainsburys at Pulborough. So I'll catch you all in a little while. Right, 8 o'clock, I'm at Pulborough on another cold January night, and we are on another till rip out. We've got to get this one done quick. We have got an hour. The noise order on this store is 9 o'clock, and the manager's adamant that we cease all work in the car park, and that noise order is until 7. They're not allowed deliveries till 7 o'clock in the morning. However, he said I can stay here if need be, which is a bonus. So we have actually already started. I've got my first item on, which is an old merchandiser. Just getting the machines running, just getting them warmed up. Should be sat in the cold. But that's our first item. So we're waiting for the rest of the tills to come out, and then we should be done by 9, and then we can get us head down and get out of here before the store opens at 7. So that's my little update. I will speak to you all in the morning, probably, on our way to Hardwicks. So I will catch you all in a little while. I've left the machine running around there. Actually, it's doing a bloody regen. So I've left the machine running around there and trying to block it. Just the other side of the road there is houses around here, so we've got to keep the noise down. So right, I'll catch you all in a little bit. Good morning, Tuesday morning. Well, only just. You join me just coming down to Carlton Industrial Estate. Carlton Industrial Estate, Shore Lane anyway. I'm on Shore Lane near Barnsley. We're on our way to Hardwicks. We're going to get tipped down here. Plan is back to the yard, get rid of the Moffat and trailer, unfortunately. Pick up a standard straight frame, go and, or pick something up from the yard, then go and get loaded at the crash barrier place up at Curtin Lindsay, and from there we got 2 drops in Scotland. We got one at Shotts to the infrastructure place, and then we've got the second one's Grangemouth Docks, and possibly reloading or trailer swapping at Ashington at Axel Noble for a Stowmarket. So they'll be for delivery tomorrow. Tomorrow being Wednesday, and we'll see where we go for there. It's always a nightmare getting into this place because you're on a blind bend, and that's why. You have to swing out to get through the gate. Come on, love. Come on, get out of the way. Problem is, you've got to watch the moffat. There we go. Because it swings out. Yeah, it's always a nightmare getting in there. It's not a wide, well, it's a wide gate, but as I say, it's on a blind bend. So I'm going to spin round up here in the scrapyard, come back down, wait for them to weigh me, come back in, tip, go back across the way, and then we'll head to the yard. I've literally, all I've done is leave this morning and drive all the way up here. I have had a break, I've managed to get a shower. Drive services, the showers are alright in there. I was quite pleasantly surprised. I missed Gonna Be More. I was busy trying to talk one of our drivers into his destination. Right, I'm gonna wait here for when they come and beckon me across the road. So I'll catch you in a bit. Updates. I am just coming into Girton Lindsay, and this is where we collect the crash barrier from. Just turn right here past the Queen's Head pub. So we're going to get loaded here, debating whether it's going to the truck wash at Scunthorpe and get the lorry wash, but the road conditions are damp, so I'm probably not going to bother because it will literally be as filthy as anything. By the time I get up to Shotts and Grangemouth tomorrow. Some of you might know, some of you might not. Shop here just on the left hand side, Knights. They sell all sorts of CB radios, aerials, everything to do with radio communications, both CB and amateur. Slow down round the bend, mate. You never know what's round there in your BMW, do you? I know I was on the wrong side of the road, but cars parked before the bend. So yeah, you got Knights CB, that's just where they're based. Well, many people use CB radios anymore. I know we had them in the lorries when I was on the bulk tippers, but that ran it to talk to the shovel drivers and the quarries. I don't think many people use them. Come on in, Mr. Bus Drivers. Or Mr. Bus Driver and Mrs. Bus Driver. Easy just to let them go, innit? Now, there's a bridge down here, and it used to be 14'3". I say used to be, because as we come up to it, you'll notice it's had the arch taken out of it, and it's been levelled off. Oh, okay. And there's roadworks right before it. But yeah, they've basically raised the height of the bridge, so there's no longer a height restriction on it. But if you've got a satellite navigational system, it seems to say that there's still a height restriction here. Now, I've been coming here for about 5 years, and it's never had a height restriction in 5 years. So come on, Tom, get your act together, and other satellite navigation manufacturers. You need to get your act together, because this bridge has not had a height limit on it for a good 6-7 years. I've been told longer, but I don't know. All I know is for the past 5 years, this bridge has never had a height restriction on it. Yeah, it's weird. Where are you going in with your APC? Oh, okay. Doing a bit of tarmacking. Is that right by the white line? the widest of bridges. You certainly don't want to pass two lorries there. So just up here, we're going to turn right. The company we go to are called Safe Road, and like I say, they provide all the crash barrier, which I think other companies do, but this is the main one. This is the one we deliver for, and this is going to a barrier company. I think it's called Barrier Services Limited, up at Shots. Well, they got one of their wagons loading. This is where I find out we're loading at the second yard, which means reversing back out. This is a bit of a nightmare. Oh, they've put some lovely barrier along here. I think that's to stop some of the lorry drivers that were parking on the grass. Right, I need to stop here, and they will come out and they will tell me what the crack is. So once I'm loaded, I'll give you an update. I'll catch you in a little while. Hi guys, that's me parked up for this evening, Tuesday. I am currently parked in Darlington. We got loaded at the infrastructure place. I did actually go and take the truck to get washed. However, the guy already had about 6 trucks waiting, and he said he wouldn't get round to doing it. So I've got an extremely dirty lorry, but to be fair, the roads are very wet, etc. at the moment still, and there's a lot of salt on the roads. And I do believe it's going to be quite cold again tonight, so it'll be covered in salt again tomorrow. So yes, from here we're going to Shots, which is sort of central belt Scotland, and from there we're going up to Grangemouth. Not actually going to the docks, going just outside the docks, or near the docks in Grangemouth. We're delivering a turnstile. And then I'm going to ring in. I did hear that I was going to Ashington to the paint factory for a trailer swap, but I will have to confirm that tomorrow. So anyway, I'll catch you all in a little while. Good morning everyone, welcome Wednesday morning, and you join me just outside of Shots. Now if you know the trucking industry, there is quite a famous company up there that are based in Shots, and that's SNT. We're not going there. Before you get excited, we're not going to SNT's yard. We are going to, and I forgot what it's called. Slow it down a bit, that's it. We're going to HBS Limited, and they deal with crash barrier and traffic management. So we are currently about 3 minutes away. It's a lovely, pleasantly warm -4 outside. I'm sorry about the view through the front, through the dash cam if it's a bit obscured, but needless to say, my washer jets are frozen, so I can't clean the windscreen, which is grand. So I'm hoping it's going to warm up a bit today and we'll be able to clean it a bit later. And as alluded to earlier in the video, I am then going up to Grangemouth. Now I don't believe it's the docks. I haven't actually looked as to where I'm going in Grangemouth, but that's where I'm going, Grangemouth, to deliver a turnstile. Checking, clear. But what a cold morning. We're south from Darlow, early hours. I've stopped at Cairn Lodge, used the facilities, and we are just on the outskirts of Shots. So I'll leave you with a little bit of the music, and I'll leave you with the dash cam, and I'll speak to you all when I get the Shots.
The night is young, we go, it's strong till the
Right, on a very cold morning, we are getting tipped. There we go. Put his first pallet off. And that is everything we are tipping. Them big things, they're a right bugger to get off. So I'm going to pop you down on the side, leave you running, and I'm going to get all my straps and coil them up. And that's us all tipped. Catch you in a bit. Anyone else get excited over the smallest things? Yeah, me. Look. Haha! I have working screen wash. It's the little things that please people sometimes. Catch you in a bit. Hey guys, just a quick update. I am currently at Ashington. I've been in the factory, done my trailer swap. We are loaded for a Stowmarket. I'm not going to get anywhere near Stowmarket tonight, so I am going to park at Conygar. The X will be services there. This is because I need safe parking, because I am fully loaded. And then we'll be setting off early hours of the morning. So I'll speak to you all when I get parked up. Catch you in a little while. Hey guys, Wednesday evening, just a quick update. Currently parked up, shit, I got my curtains round. Currently parked in Darlington. I'm going to head off for something to eat in a sec, down the William Steed. The locals to Darlington will know where I mean, what kind of pub that is. It is a pub. Going to get something to eat, perhaps have a Guinness with my meal. Have a quick walk round Darlow, get the old legs moving and that. And then I'll be back. So this is it for part one. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know it's been a bit up and down here. I showed you the infrastructure that we tipped off today up in Shots. I couldn't film the Grange mouth because it was a chemical plant, so I didn't want to show anything on there and get in trouble. So like I say, this is it for part 1. So I'll see you all in part 2. So until then, keep it shiny side up, keep it safe out on the roads, and I'll catch you all in a little while.